Hey, what's up, guys? This past weekend, I went up to Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's about 4.5 hour drive from here, and it was the NMRA finals. It was pretty awesome. We had a really good time. I took this car up there, put it in True Street, and I beat everybody. I beat the whole field. They couldn't hang with me. I'm just kidding. I was dreaming. This car still doesn't run yet, but it's going to come along. I've been kind of working on Denzel's car lately, and hopefully we get that thing sorted out and get actually a good quality track day with it. But anyways, we had a good time. They had drag racing, they had drifting, they had autocross, they had an off-road course, big car show. My wife and my son really like the drift cars, and my daughter really liked the manufacturer's Midway. I mean, she touched anything they would let her. So, including the Trick Flow booth and the Tremec booth. She's checking out all the ports, and they had a cutaway of a faceplated transmission, and we sat there and shifted the gears in it and kind of see how everything worked. So it was really cool, really fun. It's kind of like brief highlights, if you'd even call it that. But hopefully you enjoy it. Here we go. Guys, this is a first for me. This is the first time I've ever seen a KFC in Kentucky. They got them here too. Isn't that crazy?
And KFC means Kentucky Fried Chicken.
That's right, baby.
chicken, baby?
They're just thin wheels.
No.
We gonna try it?
Facing the two Mustangs that are doing some door-to-door driving. Look at this truck. Twin turbo. Give it up for my man David in the F100.
All right, guys, I guess we'll wrap this up and put a bow on it. Probably didn't recognize me, did you? Yeah, those are my daughter's glasses. I think they look better on me, though. Just kidding. Anyway, so that was Bowling Green. That was, I apologize about some of the camera angles. I was standing in line with my daughter to get her a soft pretzel and a lemonade, so some of those videos, you know, kind of bad angle and you didn't get to see the whole run, but I did the best I could with the situation I was in. But anyways, we had a great time. Usually on stuff like that I go by myself, but you know, the family enjoyed it. I'm definitely looking forward to going again next year. Hopefully I'm running like a True Street next year. And my mentor, the guy that's responsible for me getting into Mustangs and kind of, you know, taking me under his wing. He's actually in the autocross these days, and he saw that they had an autocross event. So it probably won't take much arm twisting to get him to go. Yeah, Tally, you. Looking forward to next year. It's Thursday night, so I'm gonna work on this car so we can get it back running and put the harnesses back in it and the computer and see if we can get it to crank up and drive up in the garage. But anyways, that's about it. That's the only thing I got. I got me some sticker power. What do you think about that, Bradley? Some sticker power. You need some of that. I believe in it, he doesn't. That's okay. To each his own. But anyways, thank y'all for watching, and hopefully we'll get this little super duper car going here soon and make it to the track. I mean, the time is the clock's ticking. My personal schedule and Mother Nature's schedule just has not been really kind to me this year, but hopefully that's going to change and with this cooler weather get to the track. So thanks for watching. See you later.